Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will understand another organization structure concept which is called matrix organization structure. In the previous video we understand that matrix organization structure is in between of functional organization structure and project organization structure. Let's see in this video we further evaluate this matrix organization structure. So matrix organization structure is a hybrid organization structure. It is a matrix organization structure combine functional expertise with project focus to optimize resource utilizations. It is balancing proficiency and agility. The matrix balances technical skills and project agility for efficiency resources allocation across initiative. It gives collaboration and flexibility. Matrix structure foster cross-functional collaboration and adaptability to dynamic business needs. We have seen in the previous video also, it's a combination of both the structure. In that case, both the department has to work collaborative, functional and project department. So it is a both department responsibility to perform the task and succeed the project. The management challenge are effective management requires clear roles and communication to prevent conflict and confusion. As there is a two organization structure which are equally important, so there is a likely to be conflict, and that's why conflict should be effectively handled. Overview of matrix structure. So matrix structure dimensions. So what is the matrix structure dimension says? It is a combined vertical function department and horizontal project teams for flexible management. Functional units and leadership. Functional units like testing department, development department, manufacturing, operation department are led by heads maintaining technical standard and compliance. Project team and deliverables. These are leads by the project manager, and the project teams are temporary groups focused on a specific delivery with set of timeline and budget, because projects are in temporary in nature. Okay, so the project teams are temporary groups and they will focus on the success of the projects. What is the benefit and challenges? Matrix structure improves resources use of collaboration but needs strong coordination to manage complexity. If organization fails to do so, then project will not succeed. What is the structure and reporting relationships? Vertical and horizontal dimensions. Vertical dimension functional departments. So vertical dimension includes department like engineering, marketing, quality, finance, lead by functional leads ensuring technical excellence and compliances because there is a functional manager exist. Horizontal dimension consists of cross-functional project teams coordinated by project managers to meet deliverable and deadlines. Complexity and collaboration. Matrix structure foster collaboration but introduce complexity in authority required clear roles and responsibility to avoid conflict. Now this is a dual reporting line because there is a functional manager also and there is a project manager also. So team members report to both functional heads and project managers, balancing technical and project responsibilities. Role of function heads. So functional heads provide the technical guidelines, compliances, oversight, supplier, career development of employees, motivation. Okay. So project manager responsibility. Project manager focus on project tasks, timelines, goals, deliverables, and ensure project success. Generally, they focus on the technical part. So challenges and communication. What is that? Dual reporting because both are at equal positions, functional manager and project manager. And dual reporting can cause ambiguity and conflict priorities, require effective communication and collaboration. Advantage and challenges. So advantage of matrix structure is efficient resource utilizations. Okay. Because matrix structure enables employees to work across multiple projects. So avoiding role duplication and maximizing resources use. Enhance collaboration. It encourages team work between functional department and project teams, aligning expertise with project goals. Adaptability to change. Matrix structure also quick reallocation of resources to respond effectively to changing business priorities. Okay, this also gives a opportunity to employee to enhance their skills because they has to work different projects. Changes and conflict. So conflicting in the priorities because matrix structure create tension due to conflicting goals between functional and project priorities among team members. Ambiguity in authority. Unclear decision-making authority leads to confusion and delays in project programs with matrix organization, because functional manager and project manager, as I told, at same level. Increase workload stress because multiple responsibility, multiple reporting. So this will increase the workload risk. Multiple responsibility across project and functional can increase employees' workload and stress levels. Mitigation strategy, clear roles, strong communication, conflict resolution technique, and effective leadership help overcome the challenge. Roles of the project manager. So roles of the project managers is the building relationship. Project manager builds strong bonds with functional leads, heads to foster teamwork and align goals effectively. Conflict, mediation, and negotiations. So they has to negotiate with the functional manager and other department. They mediate conflict and negotiation resources to ensure smooth project progress and timely delivery. Leadership and organization. Strong leadership and organization skills helps manage complex workflow and competing priority efficiency. Communication and stakeholder engagement. Effective communication keeps stakeholder informed and aligned with project objective throughout the project and process. Types of matrix organization. So there's a three type of matrix organization. First is a weak matrix. It is called a weak matrix because project manager has a limited authority. Project managers have limited authority and primary coordinate rather than the lead project in a weak matrix structure. Functional manager control. Functional manager retain primary control over resources, decision making, ensuring strong technical oversight. So it is actually inclined to the functional matrix organization. Okay. Limited decision making power at the project level can slow down project execution despite strong functional expertise. Now, balance matrix. The balance matrix has a shared authority. Authority is equally shared between project manager and functional leads, and it's a balance control and decision making power. Collaboration between decision required cooperation to allocate resources and direct project effectively. Communication and negotiation. Strong communication and negotiation skills are critical to resolve conflict and align objectives. Strong metrics. Strong metrics as a project manager authority is a very strong in that, and project manager holds primary control over resources, budget, decision making, and the strong metrics. They are a primary role. Functional manager role. Functional manager serves as an advisory, provide technical expertise without direct control over projects. Focus on project delivery. Strong metrics emphasize agility and project delivery deals for the organization focused on project-based work. Balance technical standard. Reducing functional influence required balance to maintain technical standard and quality in projects. So strong metrics actually inclined towards the project organization. What is the conclusion now then? So flexibility and collaborations. Metrics structure enable efficient resources use throughout collaboration and adaptability in complex environment. Complexity management, clear roles, strong communication and leaderships are essential to manage inherent complexity and avoid conflict. Choosing the right metrics model. Understanding weak balance and strong matrix types help organization align structure and strategic goal. Balancing technical expertise with agility and fostering a culture of collaboration drives success in matrix organizations. In this video, we understand the matrix organization. Let's come to the next video where we will understand the project organization. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel.